Want to learn how to play Roblox? Roblox is a free online gaming platform where you can explore millions of user-created experiences, play with friends, customize your avatar, and join communities from around the world. In this guide, I'll show you how to play Roblox step by step on Windows 11 in 2026. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or visit the Roblox website and sign in with your username and password. If you don't already have an account, create one first, then return to the home page. Next, browse the recommended experiences on the home page or use the search bar to find a specific game. You can also explore categories such as adventure, role-playing, racing, simulation, sports, or action to discover something new. Once you've chosen a game, click the play button. Wait for the experience to load, and you'll automatically join the game. Depending on the experience, you may see a short tutorial or introduction before you begin. After joining the game, use the W, A, S, and D keys to move your character, move the mouse to look around, and press the spacebar to jump. Many experiences include additional controls, objectives, and tutorials, so take a moment to learn how each game works. When you're finished playing, return to the home page to try another experience. You can add friends, customize your avatar, join groups, favorite games, and continue exploring new content created by the Roblox community. And that's how to play Roblox. Once you learn the basics, you'll be able to explore millions of unique experiences, meet new players, and enjoy everything the Roblox platform has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.